Hey guys, welcome back. It's my friends. Yeah, I know it's been a while since I posted, but yeah, we're here.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel.
Hey, what time are we gonna run?
Oh, no wonder you're flashing camera. Anyways, I'm on the 1600. I'm staying with that big boy over there, Tejas. I'll try to go sub 5.
Okay.
I'm dead though.
Richard, what do you got?
Alright. I almost pulled my hamstring, but who cares? We stuck it out. 506, 505, something like that.
Okay, I'm running the 16. My PR is 5:23. I'm really hoping to get 5:15, 5:10, something like that. Alright, let's go.
Hi, my name is Raghu. I'm running the 1600 with Rafi, and I want to get sub 530. Yo, why they start earlier? Let's go, Raphael! Let's get them going for it. Just like me. Like 650. You might not see them because they're behind, but later they're gonna go ahead. You're gonna go above and beyond. Let's go, Rafi. Raghu, Rafi, and another guy is keeping pace together. Let's see who wins. All those cookies and stuff, all those chips. Come on, burn all those right here and now. Let's go, Raphael. Push, push, push. You're falling behind. No, Raphael. Come on, Raphael. Got this, Raphael. Raghu in. Big play. Let's go. Raphael, close behind. Raphael, close behind. Oh, Raphael. Oh. Let's go, Raphael. 5:9.
So 5:20, so that's a PR, 3-second PR. Wanted to hit sub 5:20, but it's good.
Let's go, Rafi.
I'll take the PR, I'll take it.
I got a 519. Not that good, but not that bad.
Yeah.
I gotta be cold hearted.
Go. What's your name?
William.
What event are you running?
800 meters.
What do you want to get?
220.
Okay, good.
Yo, William's in the back. What is happening? Yo, that kick better come, bro. Please initiate that deadly kick. Let's go, William! William, let's go! Let's go! 35. He's only like 242. Wait, hold on. Did you get like? If he goes faster enough? No, I don't think he can. It's at 2 minutes right now. Come on, where's that kick? The kick. Let's go. William, let's go. The kick's just not there today. 21.
What you get?
221.
Okay, that's good.
Hi, my name is Tommy. I'm running the 800. My PR is 2:36, and I'm hoping to get under 2:30.
Tommy. What, bro? Hi, Justin. Oh wait, Tommy got ahead for all of a sudden. What the heck? Look at it. There's no way Tommy's in front of Jaden. Oh, I'm out. Yo, Tony's passing people! Look! Yo! He's passing! He's passing! Tommy's break! What time did you get?
2:26.
Is that good?
Yeah, 10-second PR.
Good.
What up? It's Derek. I'm running the 800. I'm making a 2:19.
Okay, take one and two. No! 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 Let's go, Derek! Don't kill me. Hey! Derek and Alan are right behind each other. Right next to each other. It's okay, I have to crop it anyway so I can't put the full recording. Oh no, oh wait, that's Alex too! I didn't know that! I didn't know that Alex was in this team! No. Derek, what time did you get?
I got a 2:26.
That's what I'd like to hear, Pooh. That's it for today. A lot of people PR'd, including me, so that's good. Yeah, me too. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you like the video, like and subscribe. Goodbye.